I will explain about the introduction about our project, which is new concept design for Tengku Tun Aminah Library UTHM by tinted windows of the library. For your information, window tinting is usually refers to the process by which a transparent film sheet is applied to the inside of the building window. The main purpose of this process is to reduce the amount of heat and radiation from the sun that reach the inside of the Tengku Tun Aminah Library UTHM building. One of the main practical benefit of window tinting is the ability to prevent fading and damage to the interior of the building from ultraviolet light exposure. Tinting can also help keep the building cool and reduce glare caused by sunlight. This is why window tinting is widely used in every mirror in the Tengku Tun Aminah Library.
I will explain about the main problem at Tengku Tun Aminah Library. Actually, all the students and lecturers sometimes felt uncomfortable. This question occurs because all the windows at Tengku Tun Aminah Library is untinted. This thing causes students and lecturers to feel that their privacy is being compromised. Clear window allow other users to zoom in and to peek inside the library. This causes students and lecturers unable to fully focus on what they are doing. In addition, the student and lecturer facing are the illumination and exposure to sunlight. Clear glass window lead to sunlight and UV ray entering the library.
The vision for this project is to make a comfortable surrounding in Tengku Tun Aminah Library UTHM, while the mission for this project is to make Tengku Tun Aminah Library UTHM to be able to welcome more visitors with protected eyes and skin from UV rays.
The objective of this project are, firstly, to prevent glares from the sun and prevent a certain spectrum or amount of sunlight from passing through the window. Secondly, to make the library become more attractive, and lastly, to help in controlling the temperature in the building.
Go through about the method that we use to install the window tint on library. First, we measure the window height and width. The second, we cut the window film probably 1 cm larger than the window size. The third step, we keep the window clean by using soap and sponge. The fourth step is we prepare the film by remove the support layer from the film. The next step, we apply film to window. We keep both film and window wet to make installation easier. Next, we use squeegee to remove the water bubble between the window and film. The sixth step, we cut the excessive film. We use retraceable knife to trim the excessive edge. Remove the water once again by using water squeegee. The seventh step, which is the last step, is dry the edge by using heat gun. Then let the film to heal completely within 72 hours.
Figure 1 showed that the 35% tinted using in outside library. It can crack a dark area but can still see with easy. It can give a library look with many advantages. Figure 2 is 80% tinted using inside the library. It can increase the vision and decrease the glare significance. It can reduce the glare from the sun and putting less strain on the eyes. The cost for tinted 35% is 24,975. Total cost for tinted 80% is 26,700. Total cost of satellite glass cleaner is 288 ringgit. So the total cost is 51,960.
The benefit from this project is it will create more comfortable environment, especially on the closed areas like the library. It will make rooms to stay cooler during summer and warmer during the winter. Tinting window also reduce glare from sunlight, cutting down on eye strain because it can block 98% of the sun ultraviolet ray from entering the library. It helps reduce energy costs and also protecting the furnishing, painting and textiles from fading.
So we will continue about witness. or limitation. Okay, firstly, tinted windows need a lot of time to modify everything since it need to be done perfectly in every corner without any mistakes. Second, tinted windows will also take a lot of time when we need to close the library because the windows need to be closed one by one. Okay, lastly, even though tinted windows can yield many benefits over time, it can still require an initial financial investment because it needs specification treatments to take care of it, otherwise it can easily break down.
In the conclusion, reviewing all of the points mentioned in the report, we can conclude tools window tint are important to apply on all windows of Tunku Tun Amina library. Therefore, with a tint window applicable to all windows in Tunku Tun Amina library should be expected to build a great development and professional development where can help protect the interest of you.
Tunku Tun Amina Library UTHM. So this is the model of our groups. Then we will do it add on and give it more properly. So that first I need to give all of you know about the window. So this all is the window of the Tunku library. So that we are using the tinted. So we are tinted all of the window of the outside of the library. Why we tinted it? Because it can reduce some of the heat and it can give the all the visitors such like students lecture, they will be more comfortable inside the library. So that we are choosing the 35%. So the 35% it will give the visitor are more suitable because it will be some dark. While at the inner layer, I can show like this. Okay, so all of you can see it. In the inner layer, we are using the 80% the tinted. Why 80%? Because it will be more brighter and can give the sunlight to go into the library, so that the library will not be very dark, so that the some of the light can be closed and it will help the library to save some of the cost. While at here, after the tinted, the temperature of the library, because the inner part and outside of the window also got the tinted, so it will help to decrease the temperature inside the library. So when decrease the temperature, it will give the opportunity to the library that they no need to open all the air conditioning for whole day. They will be like selected, like morning is 3 or 4 of the air conditioner and another afternoon will be some, so that it will help to reduce the utilities cost of the library. So that our group wanted to show that we are using the 35% of the tinted of the outside and 80% in the inside to help to give the library become more suitable and become more welcome the visitor. So there are more students of UTHM and visitor and also staff to vent come to the UTHM library, that is Tunku Tun Amina Library UTHM.